Today I will show you how to add live chat widget to your WordPress website. Okay, let's start the tutorial. First you need visit elfsite.com website. I will give the website URL in this video description. Now here widget chat all in one chat. Click here. Easy to use live chat wizard for website. Okay, here create wizard. Click here, create live chat wizard. Okay, continue with this template. Click here, add channel, WhatsApp, phone number, then add to website. Click here, now save. Here plan, light plan, monthly charge 0 for one website. I will select this one. Here code, copy the code, then WordPress website dashboard, paste the code here, update, preview, paste, here write hi there, how can I help you? Okay, if this video help you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, also like, comments and share. Okay, thank you for watching this video.